Hi everybody, today I am going to show you guys my daddy chilies sauce simple recipe. First, get all the ingredient ready. Of course the main ingredient will be bird's eyes chilies. If your house have ready pick one, then please use direct pick one. Let's pick our chilies, both green and red. Ratio depend on the amount chilies that you have. Now get ready the calamansi, as much as you have. Prepared big fresh chilies and garlic as well. Once prepare all ingredient. Then we proceed to calamansi juice preparation. Squeeze out the calamansi juice. The more calamansi juice the better. Balanced calamansi juice you can take to make ice honey. Calamansi tea to drink. Now, put all the ingredient into the blender. The more you put to the blender, the better performance you can get. Add some calamansi juice into blender. For more easy blend the mixture. Continue blend until the mixture became paste form. Something need to take note. When preparing the calamansi juice, must filter out the seed. Seed will cause your chilies bitter if you blend it together. This might take few time to blend until all became paste. I'm going to sing some song again.
Blend to paste, blend to paste, blend to paste, blend to paste.
Okay. This is the paste form we want. Before put the chilies paste into the container. Make sure it is dry. Apply some calamansi juice into it. This is to remove extra moisture of the container for longer storage purpose. Put into refrigerator after done. Or if you want to eat directly, up to you. Let me tell you how to eat this. Mix it with soy sauce and add more calamansi juice and stir. Your super delicious chilies sauce is ready. Let me sing again.
Add soy sauce, add soy sauce, add soy sauce, add soy sauce, and stir, stir, and stir, add calamansi.
Stir again and finish. Please enjoy your chilis sauce. This chilis sauce you can eat with a lot kind of food. It might make your food level up. And now we eat. Yummy. Okay, we stop here. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.